In the ever-evolving world of foldable smartphones, Oppo made waves last month by declaring the Oppo Find N5 as the world's most durable foldable. With its cutting-edge design and impressive water resistance capabilities, Oppo seemed to have solidified its position at the top of the foldable market. However, it appears that the Find N5's reign might be short-lived, as new rumors suggest that Samsung is preparing to release a contender that could steal the spotlight, the Galaxy Z Fold7. The next big thing in foldable tech. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is already generating significant buzz in the tech world. While earlier reports hinted that the device would closely resemble the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, currently limited to markets like China and South Korea, new leaks paint a different picture. According to various sources, the Galaxy Z Fold7 is set to be thinner, larger, and more sophisticated than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold6. This design evolution could signal a major leap forward for Samsung in the foldable smartphone arena. One of the most exciting claims comes from PandaFlash Pro, which suggests that Samsung is aiming to make the Galaxy Z Fold7 the world's toughest foldable smartphone. While the exact metrics for this claim remain unclear, Samsung appears to be focusing on addressing key durability concerns. For instance, the hinge structure of the Galaxy Z Fold7 is rumored to feature upgraded micro brushes designed to prevent foreign particles from entering the mechanism. This innovation could not only enhance the device's longevity but also reduce the visibility of creases on the display, a common issue with foldable screens. Oppo Find N5 vs Galaxy Z Fold7, a durability showdown. Durability has become a critical factor in the foldable smartphone market, and both Oppo and Samsung are vying for the crown. Oppo's Find N5 boasts an impressive IPX9 water resistance rating, surpassing the Galaxy Z Fold6, which is rated dust-resistant at IP4. However, the Find N5 does not include dust resistance testing, leaving room for Samsung's advancements to shine. Samsung's focus on durability could set a new benchmark in the industry. The rumored upgrades to the hinge mechanism and the use of high-quality materials suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold7 might outperform its competitors in both longevity and user experience. If these claims hold true, Samsung could attract a broader audience, including those who were previously hesitant to invest in foldable technology due to durability concerns. Design and display, what to expect. The design of the Galaxy Z Fold7 is expected to represent a significant departure from its predecessors. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which largely recycled hardware from previous models, the Fold7 is rumored to be a completely reimagined device. The emphasis on a thinner and larger form factor could make the Fold7 more appealing to users seeking a sleek and modern design. In addition to its durability improvements, the Fold7 may also include enhancements to its display technology. While specifics are still under wraps, industry insiders speculate that Samsung could introduce a more advanced folding mechanism to minimize creases and improve overall screen quality. This could make the Fold7 a top choice for multimedia enthusiasts and professionals alike.